Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. We're going to be talking about a whole bunch of stuff, guys. Something huge is going to be happening in November. We're going to be talking about that. Is it too late for crypto, guys? Is it too late? Is it time to throw in the towel? Is it time to give up? Is it time to just forget about crypto? We're going to be talking about that and much more. Remember, everything you see here is not a financial advice. It's just an OG in the house, expressing my opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, guys and gals. So let's just kind of like recap what's going on right now with the markets. Right now we can see that the total market cap is down again. We're seeing that the total market cap is around about $19.19 billion, and that's a decrease of about 0.5% from yesterday. And things are kind of not looking so good right now. Again, looks like we're having another Debbie Downer day. We're seeing Bitcoin is down almost 1% right now. We're seeing Ethereum, thank goodness, is still up slightly, up about 1%. We're seeing that most of cryptocurrency is going down. XRP is standing out right now. It's up 1.82%. But everything else like Cardano, Solana, Dogecoin, everything is going down. So that is not too good in the house. Even Luna Classic right now is at 32 position, and that's also down. So we're going to be talking also a little bit about Luna Classic. Looks like they might have a new burn proposal in as well. So we're going to kind of touch on that. So what is going on right now? Things are not looking too good. We saw that the broader markets are down over 2% for S&P, or 1% for the Dow Jones. We did have the UK finance minister yesterday that basically got fired out there, and looks like Liz Truss, the UK PM, just fired him because I guess he was just tired of the economy just tanking. So that's what that's all about. So that is some of the big breaking news out there. We have something really important happening in November, and that is the midterm. That is the midterm election. So from now to then expect a lot of choppiness, guys. Expect a lot of chop. And remember, overall, we are actually in a bear downtrend. So we're going to be seeing that in the long term, things are going to be turning down. Sure, there's going to be some peaks and there's going to be some valleys out there, but right now things are looking not too good overall. Bitcoin, luckily, is still holding its $19,000 support level, but I wouldn't be surprised if we do see that it collapses back down. Remember, our all-time low is about 17,550. And is it too late? Is it absolutely too late for crypto? Well, my answer to that, yes. In the shorter time frame, it's not looking good right now. We could see more chop, more volatility, more stuff going down. CPI data was a good example. We had the market did tank after the CPI data came out, and there's a lot of shorts, and then the whales came in and bought stuff back, and that's what there was a whole short squeeze. That's what pushed the crypto markets back up again. So that's why the crypto markets went up. But right now I'm seeing that we are seeing finally, it's pretty close to about 48 hours. You're going to start to see that cryptocurrency is going to start getting back to normal, performing back to normal, and you're going to start to see that the short mentality, the absolute short mentality of the crypto space is going to start coming back into play, and we're going to start to see more and more of the cryptocurrencies going down. So if you take a look at what's going on right now, we can see that right now in the last 24 hours, we've had almost $139 million of wreckage. So the amount of leverage trading right now is actually going up. So that is not good. So, and we're seeing right now in the last hour, we're seeing that mainly in the last hour to 24 hours, we're seeing that, it's kind of balanced between shorts and longs out there. So, the market is kind of tipping in either way. And if you're taking leverage positions right now, be careful because the whales could initiate Hunter Wicks to wipe, either the longs or shorts out. So right now we're seeing that the balance between long and shorts in terms of wreckage out there is pretty much neutral out there. So yeah, it's going to be choppy, guys. That's going to be choppy. I have talked about in my previous videos where we can see that Bitcoin has been forming a very nice support level around about $19,000, and we should start to break out of that. But the exact timing on that is it's TBD. And remember, there's been time and time again that people have called Bitcoin dead, and that the end is near. And we saw that in 2015, we saw that in 2016, we saw that with the Corona dump. People have been saying that Bitcoin is over. And I think it's about 412 times that's happened. But every time Bitcoin does bounce back. Sure, we may swing low to 17,500 again, which is our bottom in my opinion. But I think that we're going to be, this is part of life, guys. It's part of life. And, nothing much is going to happen. 2025, crypto is going to be going nuts because that's when the next halving is. And typically after halving, you have a nice pump. So, you may have to wait to that long. I mean, sure. It might be boring. It might be insane in the membrane, but that's what it is. So let's take a look at what's going on with our friend, your friend, the coin that we love, Dogecoin right now. So we're seeing that right now for the Dogecoin right now. Dogecoin is down about 1.5%. And it is trading at 0.58 cents out there. So we're seeing that the volumes are about 241 million, down about 48%. Wow, that's not good, guys. And once again, Dogecoin is very much below our 8 billion market cap. So Doge is also not looking good in terms of that perspective. Dogecoin once again it has broken down below our 6-cent level. That is not good. Our next major support for Doge right now is at around about 0.521. So like I said in my previous video, if Dogecoin does not get itself above 6 cents, then the bears are going to push it down, and we're going to continue going down to around about 0.521 in the house. And if that support level doesn't hold, then our next stop is about 0.478. So you guys keep on keeping on with the Doge. Right now for Doge, I'm not going to be accumulating any more Doge. I'm just telling you like it is. I'm not going to be buying any more Doge right now. I want to kind of see what happens. Will it regain the 0.6 cent support, or will we go down below the 0.521 support? So that's what I want to see. Hopefully we do get a reversal, but the way the markets are going right now, it's anybody's guess. I think that we could be just going sideways between 0.6 and 0.521 for quite some time. So that's what I'm thinking. Let's jump into Luna Classic right now. So the good news is Luna Classic has now burned more than 19 billion tokens. So that is pretty positive. The price of Luna Classic right now, time recording, is at 0.027, and that is exactly at my 0.027 support line. So if that can hold, that's going to be good. If not, then we're going down to 0.02399. I mean, keep in mind that Luna Classic is also in a bear trend right now. It has been trending down right now. If I take a look at my chart, it has basically been trending down, down for quite some time. Since almost the 12th of September, Luna has been in a downward trend. So Luna Classic did have a peak of 0.059, and that was on the 8th of September. So since then, basically Luna Classic has just been in a downtrend. Sure, it's had some minor peaks, but overall we've been in a downtrend now since September. So do I anticipate a reversal coming in? No, I don't. Luna Classic holders, you can beat me up, but I don't see a reversal coming in. I think that the hype has died down now. All the hyperbole is gone. And I think that what we're seeing right now is that Terra Luna Classic is kind of just going to be range bound, and it's going to be range bound for quite some time. There might be some peaks and valleys, but I don't see us best case scenario for Luna Classic till the end of the year, in my humble opinion, is maybe 0.004 out there. I don't think we're going to be growing past that for much longer until next year. I just don't see it. So some good news for Luna Classic. The lunkheads out there, it looks like there's been a new initiative out there. So it looks like the developers want to create an initiative where more people are going to build dApps and apps on the blockchain. That's going to assist Burn. And they've also made it competitive and kind of said, look, who out there can create a dApp or an app that can also include a burn function? So that is fine. That is great, because absolutely, if we want to increase the token burn, we need to have more volumes, and the only way to build more volume is get more utility, guys. So that is what that's all about. Let's take a quick look at what's going on with Shiba Inu, and then let you get out of here. So Shiba Inu right now, it's positive right now. It's up about 0.70%, which is good, but it's exactly at 10. That is 4 zeros and 10 out there, and we're trading between the resistance now of resistance line is around about 11, and we have support around about 9. So that is what's going on with Shiba Inu. Once again, everything is just going sideways. Pretty boring, guys. Is it over for crypto? Is it over? I think we're just going to be seeing a lot of this sideways chop until after the midterm elections. And then when we hit the midterm elections, we could see that the crypto markets could pump about 30%. We could see that the broader markets are going to pump about 30%. So that's what I'm thinking. That's what you should be thinking, guys. So guys and gals, don't forget to go down there, check out the links. Follow me on Twitter if you would. That's all I got. That is all I got out there. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.